Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. So lovely viewers, today we'll see in this video. Today we'll see in this videos very beautiful and very stylish modern girls pop with bangs haircuts designs. For pleasant, attractive, you will see stylish, unique girls bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. Dear viewer, you will see in this videos 40 plus stylish, unique bob haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded modern bob haircuts designs, so decent dyed haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique bob with bangs haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see unique stylish girls bob with bangs haircuts designs. So if you are a college girl or a business girl, so this setup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. You will see modern haircuts ideas. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members. I have uploaded stylish bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, toppy bob haircuts, and chin length haircuts ideas. You will see in these videos front, back, and sided pose modern bob haircuts designs, long layers and short layers unique bob haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique stylish bob haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy all unique haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see stylish, unique bob haircuts ideas. Front, back, and sided pose modern bob haircuts designs. Lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care, friends.